Welcome back to our YouTube channel. Here's a simplified guidelines on making a beautiful purple handbag using crochet. First, choose a soft purple yarn for your handbag. Make a slip knot and chain 30 stitches to start the base. Join the last chain to the first with a slip stitch to form a circle. Crochet single stitches around the circle for the base. Continue crocheting in rounds until the base is the desired size. Once the base is done, start working on the sides by crocheting single stitches in each stitch around. Add extra stitches eventually to make the sides wider as you go up. Crochet until the bag is the height you want. To create handles, leave an opening and crochet fewer stitches in the middle. Crochet a few rounds without increasing to make the handles sturdy. Once the handles are the desired length, fasten off the yarn and weave in the ends. To add a decorative touch, you can crochet flowers or motifs in a contrasting color. Sew the flowers onto the bag using a yarn needle. You can also add buttons or beads for extra embellishment. To line the bag, cut a piece of the fabric slightly larger than the bag. Sew the sides and bottom of the fabric together to form a pouch. Turn the fabric pouch inside out and place it inside the crochet bag. Fold the top edge of the fabric over the top edge of the crochet bag. Your beautiful purple handbag is now complete. It's perfect for carrying your essentials with style. Thank you so much.